Good day, everyone. Learn how to create D drive in your laptop or a desktop in Windows 11 computer. It will be a very easy video and you will be able to create just like a cakewalk. So here in the start icon, do a right click and we need to go to this disk management. Once you open the disk management, maximize it by clicking here, and you need to look closely that how much space you have. Like you want to create D drive from the C drive space, or you already have a unallocated space. So for most of us, we would not have unallocated space. So we actually need to create space first. So let's say if I want to create a 100 GB D drive, then I need to select the drive, the C drive, because we will take the 100 GB from C drive and we will make the D drive. So we will do a right click first and we need to click on shrink volume. Now the moment you click on shrink volume, you might think that your computer is hang or stuck, but it is not the case. It is actually working and querying the shrink space. So we need to wait for a while. Now we can see that a new window is here and it is asking us to enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. So as I said, I want to create in GB and I need to convert it into MB. So I'll quickly open the calculator. It is the best thing. If you want the exact 100 GB or 50 GB, let's say I want to create a 50 GB. So 1 GB equals to 1024 MB. So let's say if I'm creating a 50 GB drive, then I need to multiply by 1024. If you want 70 GB, then you can simply multiply by 70 into 1024. It is 51,200 MB. So I'll mention 51,200 MB. All right. And we just need to click on shrink. The moment we do that, again, it will be stuck for a while. You do not have to click anywhere. Just leave the mouse and wait for a while. Now we see the unallocated space. Now here, we just need to select the unallocated space. Now we are going to allocate it. So we will do a right click and then we will click on new simple volume, because now we are going to convert into volume, which is the D drive. Now once we click on that, a new wizard will appear and we need to click on next. And we don't have to make any changes. We just need to click on next. And if you want to assign a letter D or any other drive, you can select that. I'll select on the D and then I'll click on next. And make sure you check mark this perform a quick format, else it will take a lot of time. So I'll click on next. Just leave it like this. I'll maximize it so that you can watch it. All right, now I'll click on next and I'll click on finish. And you can see new volume D. New volume D is here. Now I will close this. I'll close the calculator and in the search icon, I'll type file and you will find File Explorer. I'll maximize it. And then from the left hand side, we will go to this PC. And you can see we have successfully created 50 GB, almost round off 50 GB of D drive. So this is how you can, do the partition of D drive or create D drive in your laptop or desktop. So we have taken from here, from the C drive to the D drive. All right. So if you find this tutorial short, easy and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.